Expanding into these other collectibles, because obviously you started with sports cars and you just really love Pokemon. What made you initially see Fortnite and start getting into it and finding the opportunity?
So I've never played the game, but I've heard about it. I've heard how many younger kids play this game, even up to people my age. I mean, I did not play it because for any reason, it just wasn't part of what I was able to do in a day. But to see something go across that many different age groups and then start to see the virtual reality part to start to come into it. And I mean, there's a following there that's didn't grow up in 1996. It's growing up now. So you got to have different age groups. I mean, it's just like anything. So you got old vintage cars, you got modern cars. I mean, there's just different demographics for each type of collectible. And for the price you could get them for, it was worth a shot. I mean, I got those Series 1 for $30. I mean, if I lose $30, what's the worst that happens?
Nothing. Nothing. You're just spending money it's okay if you lose.
Exactly. You got to put feelers out in different places. I mean, don't go gunning right off the bat. You have no idea what's going to happen.